Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to this video and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Welcome back to Encryptos. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use liquidity and entry points. Alright, you're going to be understanding the concept of liquidity, how to use it to your advantage. Alright, first of all, before we start, we will understand what is liquidity. Now, liquidity is where a lot of traders' money is sitting. In other ways, you can say liquidity is where buy orders are being placed. All right, and buy side liquidity is where stop losses of sellers are above the highs. All right, and also sell liquidities are where buyers stop losses are below the lows. All right, before we go on to our chart, we need to first of all understand how to identify liquidity. Now, we have three types of market structure. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the ranging trend. Now, when we have an uptrend like this, we always tend to have liquidity sitting below this zone. After we have this break of structures, we always tend to have liquidities sitting below, and that is where stop losses are always placed. All right, now how do you use? We have different types of liquidity. We have the trend line liquidity. Where market is moving up, and we say we have a trend line liquidity right here. And we also have the equal highs and the equal lows, where we have the same. We have the equal highs and the equal lows, and we also have the inducement type of liquidity. Now, all of these are liquidity, and now how do you use them to your advantage? First of all, you need to identify market structure. Now, when you come to your chart, all you need to look out for is where is your market going. All right, who are the current controllers of the market? Is it the buyers or the sellers? Now, once you understand that, either the buyers or the sellers are in control. If the buyers are in control, then you need to identify your structure. Since you've identified your structure, the next thing you need to look out for is to identify your inducement. All right, after we've gotten this break of structure, we can clearly see that this was the last pullback, and that will become our inducement or our liquidity that market will need to take out before moving to the other direction. One thing you need to understand, that market needs liquidity to move. The market doesn't just move like that, it needs liquidity to move. So let's go to our chart. This is on 5-minute time on gold, and on 5-minute time we can clearly see that this structure is bullish when we are marking it from this angle. We can clearly see that the structure is bullish. All right, so right now, since we've understand that the structure is bullish, what are we looking at for? We are looking at for our liquidities. Other ways you can call it inducement. Now, when you look right here from this angle, we have this push right here. Now when you look, we have this, and we have this liquidity being taken out before we have this push again to the upside. Now, this is where liquidities are. If you look below this zone right here, you can see these are liquidities. Now, all we need to do is wait for market to come down to this zone, take out the liquidity, and what happened? We have this break of structure. And we have liquidity below this zone right here, and market came down. What happened? Immediately market came down to that place, it took out the liquidity and did what? Went to break structure right here. It broke structure at this point, and now what happened again? Immediately market broke structure. What happened? Immediately market broke structure. You can clearly see that we have another pullback right here, and we have a break of structure, and again market came down, took out this liquidity, and what? Broke structure. So this is the simplest way on how to identify and use liquidity on your on your trading chart, alright, to identify and use liquidity on your trading. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more videos like this. And for trade signals, you can check the link on the description or check the link on our bio to join our Telegram signals, where we share every day. We share our trade signals on our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.